So this is not property related, but next week is going to be mad for me when I announce the release of my new course. And so I'm currently up in Snowdonia for a few days and doing a kind of ride around the area. And it is such a beautiful part of the world that I thought I could just attach my GoPro to the front of my helmet and we can have a bit of a ride down the valley. So stay with me, and just for a couple of minutes I'm going to show you just how beautiful this part of the world actually is. There you go. Did you enjoy that? State of my hair. What a beautiful part of the world. You've got to come here, Snowdonia. I'm just travelling down to Bangor, and then I'm going to kind of make my way all the way along the top of Wales, and then I'm going to go and see a good friend of mine, Toby, and then kind of, I'm not sure where I'm going to go. I'm going to go over towards Manchester, but then it's back home, because that's when all the hard work's going to start, because I've got to start planning all that we're going to be doing with the release of version 4 of my online property masterclass program. So I know that was a bit random, and I know it was in no way property related, but I hope you found it fun anyway. And yeah, if you'd like to find out a little bit more about the online property masterclass version 4, stay tuned, because I'm going to be doing a lot more sort of announcements next week, so you can get some idea of what's included. And in particular, you've got to look out for something that we're calling breakthrough calls. I'm going to tell you a lot more about that a little bit later on. So anyway, thanks for joining me for that ride. A bit random as I know, and hopefully see you in the next video.